less than P data end equals 488 data start equals 80 greater than. Hey everyone, if you are in the DC, Maryland, or Virginia area, get ready, Tuesday is shaping up to be a serious snow day. A major snowstorm is rolling in, and schools across the region are either closing or sending students home early. If you are a parent, brace yourself. It's going to be a long week, especially with President's Day coming up on Monday. Some kids might not have school for an entire week. Less than P data end equals 796 data start equals 490 greater than. According to Storm Team 4, the snow is expected to start around midday on Tuesday, with anywhere from 4 to 8 inches piling up across the area. That means road conditions could get rough quickly, and school districts aren't taking any chances. Many have already announced early dismissals or full closures. Less than P data end equals 843 data start equals 798 greater than. Here's a quick rundown of what's happening. Less than UL data end equals 1616 data start equals 844 greater than. Less than LE data end equals 902 data start equals 844 greater than. Less than Storm data end equals 880 data start equals 846 greater than. Alexandria City Public Schools less than Storm greater than half day schedule less than LE greater than. Less than LE data end equals 969 data start equals 903 greater than. Less than Storm data end equals 938 data start equals 905 greater than. Fairfax County Public Schools less than Storm greater than 3-hour early dismissal less than LE greater than. Less than LE data end equals 1010 data start equals 970 greater than. Less than Storm data end equals 999 data start equals 972 greater than. Fauquier County Schools less than Storm greater than closed less than LE greater than. Less than LE data end equals 1088 data start equals 1011 greater than. Less than Storm data end equals 1046 data start equals 1013 greater than. Frederick County Schools, that is MD, less than Storm greater than 3.5-hour early dismissal less than LE greater than. Less than LE data end equals 1135 data start equals 1089 greater than. Less than Storm data end equals 1124 data start equals 1091 greater than. Fredericksburg Public Schools less than Storm greater than closed less than LE greater than. Less than LE data end equals 1202 data start equals 1136 greater than. Less than Storm data end equals 1171 data start equals 1138 greater than. Loudoun County Public Schools less than Storm greater than 3-hour early dismissal less than LE greater than. Less than LE data end equals 1257 data start equals 1203 greater than. Less than Storm data end equals 1237 data start equals 1205 greater than. Manassas City Public Schools less than Storm greater than early dismissal less than LE greater than. Less than LE data end equals 1317 data start equals 1258 greater than. Less than Storm data end equals 1297 data start equals 1260 greater than. Manassas Park City Public Schools less than Storm greater than early dismissal less than LE greater than. Less than LE data end equals 1390 data start equals 1318 greater than. Less than Storm data end equals 1361 data start equals 1320 greater than. Prince George's County Public Schools less than Storm greater than 2-hour early dismissal less than LE greater than. Less than LE data end equals 1462 data start equals 1391 greater than. Less than Storm data end equals 1433 data start equals 1393 greater than. Prince William County Public Schools less than Storm greater than 2-hour early dismissal less than LE greater than. Less than LE data end equals 1514 data start equals 1463 greater than. Less than Storm data end equals 1503 data start equals 1465 greater than. Spotsylvania County Public Schools less than Storm greater than closed less than LE greater than. Less than LE data end equals 1555 data start equals 1515 greater than. Less than Storm data end equals 1544 data start equals 1517 greater than. Stafford County Schools less than Storm greater than closed less than Li greater than less than Li data end equals 1616 data start equals 1556 greater than less than Storm data end equals 1590 data start equals 1558 greater than Warren County Public Schools less than Storm greater than virtual learning only less than Li greater than less than Ul greater than less than P data end equals 1875 data start equals 1618 greater than with the potential for heavy snowfall and icy roads. It's best to stay updated on any changes. If you are a parent, you might want to start planning for a few unexpected days with the kids at home. And for the students, well, time to get those sleds ready. Less than P data end equals 2062 data is last node equals data start equals 1877 greater than for the latest updates. Keep an eye on your local school district's website or check out NBC Washington for real-time announcements. Stay safe, stay warm, and enjoy the snow, if you can. Stay subscribed for more videos.